How to fix lag on Roblox PS4 or PS5. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you how to reduce lag on Roblox for PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a simple process, so follow along. Before I begin, I want to clarify that although I'm recording on my PC, the method I'm about to teach works for console versions of Roblox as well. To start, enter any game where you're experiencing lag or less demanding one. Once in the game, pause it using the Start or Options button to access the settings. Adjust the graphics quality, which is crucial for improving performance on the Roblox for the PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. This method also applies to Xbox. Lowering the graphics quality may slightly reduce the game's appearance, but it significantly enhances performance and stability. If the performance issue persists, check your console for overheating, as poor ventilation and dust accumulation can impact the game performance. Keep your console clean and well ventilated. I hope this guide helps you address lag on Roblox for PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.